Hello children, my name is Shalini Chauhan and I am from the Venkateshwara School Gurugram, and today we are going to learn about Five Kingdom Classification. Five Kingdom Classification. R.H. Whittaker, 1969, proposed the Five Kingdom Classification system. The kingdom include in the system Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. The main criteria used by Whittaker for classification were cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction, and phylogenetical relationship among organisms. As the viruses are on the borderline of living and non-living, they have been left out. As we have seen, on the basis of different criteria, the living organisms are divided into five kingdoms. These are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Now let's understand. Kingdom Monera. These are consist of prokaryotic and unicellular organisms. No nuclear membrane or membrane-bound organelles present. They have cell wall but not made up of cellulose. It is made up of polysaccharide compound, and they reproduce asexually. And the main examples are archaea and bacteria. Next kingdom is Protista. These are eukaryotic and unicellular or simple multicellular organisms. They produce sexually or asexually. There are two major groups of protists, which include the protozoans. Protozoans means primitive animal forms and whose cells are similar to animals, and in that they do not have cell walls. The other one is the plant-like cells, which do not have cell walls and are similar to algae. The important examples of protists include organisms known as Plasmodium, amoeba, and Euglena. The next group is fungi. These are eukaryotic, multicellular, or unicellular also. Like how mushrooms and molds are examples of multicellular fungi, and yeast is an example of unicellular fungi. All fungi have a cell wall that is made up of chitin, not cellulose. They are non-motile, so they are dependent. The mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. They are important as decomposers, so they feed themselves as saprophytes, and can be parasitic also. And they reproduce sexually and asexually by spore formation. The important examples of useful fungus is Penicillium. Kingdom Plantae. These are eukaryotic multicellular organisms. They have cell wall made up of cellulose. Cells are organized into two plant tissues and they contain plastids and chlorophyll. So they make their own food. They are totally non-motile and they store food as a starch. They undergo both sexual and asexual reproduction, and some of the examples are mosses, ferns, conifers, and flowering plants. Kingdom Animalia, member of this group are eukaryotic and multicellular. They do not have cell wall and do not carry photosynthetic pigment. They are mostly motile and they are heterotrophic. They reproduce sexually or asexually. Important example of this kingdom, invertebrates like earthworms and insects, and vertebrates includes higher forms like fish, fishes, amphibians, and reptilians, birds, and mammals. And if you just have a look, I have put it on a tabular form so you can go through and revise it again. That's it all for now, children. Thank you.